If you are looking for ways to get your competitive dancer, ice dancer, figure skater, kiddo in theater, pageants, anything where you have multiple costumes and you need to transport them, I am going to show you 10 ways that the Dream Duffel can keep you organized with all of the costumes, makeup, shoes, and everything else that comes with a competitive sport or activity. So what is a Dream Duffel, you might be asking? It is a piece of luggage that can easily transform into a changing station, wardrobe closet, and more. So let me show you the 10 ways to use your Dream Duffel to get organized. The very first one, and I think it's really obvious, is that the Dream Duffel turns into a rack to hang your costumes. So you open up the Dream Duffel. And inside you have 2 poles that can create a rack to hang all of your costumes. Inside the Dream Duffel are 2 clips that hold the bar that goes across. Those clips are patent and only found on Dream Duffels, which is amazing because no losing your bar coming home from your event, or if you're running behind to a competition or a show, you don't have to worry about finding your bar in the bottom of your bag. The clips right there are perfect to keep your bar organized inside your bag. Now, the D-rings inside the bag hold the garment bags for you so they don't slip and slide inside the Dream Duffel. This is huge because if you have multiple costumes and multiple things going on for your event, you don't want to be searching or finding out that your costume is all crinkly and everything. Instead, the D-rings on the inside of the Dream Duffel keep them organized and make it easy to pull off and hang up. Ta-da! Dream Duffel has garment bags that have D-ring hooks right on the inside as well. These hooks are perfect for when you have to get or change costumes like really fast. Pull this off and then look, the garment bag is still connected even though it's not around the costume. This helps so that you don't lose your garment bag as you are doing quick changes or as your kiddo might need to swap costumes or anything of that sort. The garment bags come in 3 different sizes. You have the small size, which also has 3 pocket zippers to hold all sorts of extras that might go along with the costume, and a pocket spot where you can put in what costume, what number, what song, and all the things that go along with that costume for that routine. They also have the thicker garment bag for bigger costumes, or if you just want to put a whole bunch of costumes in one. This one has the space. And then you have the long garment bag. This one is for those longer costumes, and then there is a D-ring at the end so that you can make sure that it fits perfectly in your Dream Duffel. Now, my favorite thing about Dream Duffel is all of Dream Duffel's hangers are meant to fit inside the Dream Duffel so that you aren't having to squish or cram any of your costumes or anything into the bag. They fit perfectly. And the clips are really narrow so they won't pull on any of your costumes. Inside your Dream Duffel, you have lots of pockets for tons of storage. We can keep extra tights, shoes for the bigger compartments, clothing, all of that fun stuff can easily be contained inside your Dream Duffel, so you have so much room for your costumes and makeup bags or any other thing that you want to add inside the Dream Duffel. On the outside of your Dream Duffel, you have a cooler, perfect for all of those non-messy snacks like fruits, veggies, anything that you need in between your dances, your performances, your shows, whatever it is. You have a spot that can keep your items cool, and you don't have to worry about them getting on your costume because it's on the outside of the bag. There's also another bag on the outside that you can keep other additional snacks in, or any other like makeup or products or shoes or anything like that. And the clip is incredibly sturdy. Look at that. On the outside of your bag, there are also D-rings. Now, this might seem like, what's the point of that? Well, it's to keep you extra organized. This is where you can add blankets and attach them to these D-rings. If you have a tutu, you can attach your tutu bag to this. Anything big that isn't going to fit inside your Dream Duffel, you can attach to the D-rings. And it's a really great addition to help so that your Dream Duffel doesn't get so crowded with all of your costumes and shoes and skates and whatever else you might need, and that you can keep everything nice and organized. On the back side of your Dream Duffel, there is another spot to store a folding stool. Because there is nothing worse going to a competition and not having a place to sit in between your dance numbers, in between your skating routines, in between your pageant sessions, whatever it may be. Having a spot to sit is so helpful to help keep you at your best for your performance. The Dream Duffel seat, it's so easy to fold up. There is a little ring thing here. You pull it, push the seat up, and then slide and go. Ah! In addition to the Dream Duffel having everything you need, there are some additional things that you can add to get yourself even more organized. This makeup bag is amazing. It just opens. Then you take the hanger and add it directly to your rod. Inside is the mirror, so you can see all your beautiful self. There's also a brush organizer, which you can add directly to the hook, which is amazing because everything can fit inside of the makeup bag. And so you can put all of your hair products, makeup, everything can go inside and then hang on the rod. So this is an amazing addition that you can add to help keep your makeup and things organized. Another fun addition is this roll-up bag. You can put in makeup, you can have jewelry, different accessories, and then it rolls right up when you are done. Look at that. There you go. The hook folds in, you roll it up, and then tie it, and then toss it in your Dream Duffel so that you don't have to worry about forgetting your jewelry or anything like that. There are big bags for bigger things that you might have, smaller compartments, plus this smaller one comes off. So you can have pretty much like a little purse in case you need to do like a quick change with the jewelry or accessories. You can have it right there with you, snap it back on, and then keep it on your Dream Duffel so you don't have to worry about forgetting like jewelry or makeup or anything like that. It's an easy little fix to make. You give yourself like a little purse to keep yourself organized for any competition or quick changes you might have. This collapsible shelf is amazing for all of your different accessories that you might have. It comes with a mirror, pockets for all sorts of different things, and then a shelf where you can put makeup, you can put different accessories if you have like crowns or any kind of like tiaras, any like hair things can go here. And then it comes with the Dream Duffel box, which has removable dividers. So you can put all sorts of smaller pieces, hair clips, all of the bobby pins can all, and different sizes can go in here. You can create a snack tote with like different snack options in here as well. There are so many options that you can have for the caddy. And then you have a space that with a shelf to get yourself organized. On the other side are more pockets and more ways to organize and get all of your supplies together. Then when it's time to go, remove the mirror, put the clip in, fold up, up, clip, and pop it in the bottom of your Dream Duffel. It is so easy, and it has a handle. So if you need to carry this around, maybe add this for any sort of theater production that you might have, you can carry this little tote around, and then now you have all of your stuff for your show in one spot, and you can carry it or put it in the bottom of your Dream Duffel for all of your extra bobby pins, hair nets, earrings, jewelry, all of the small little things that you have to have but you don't want to lose can easily be stored in this. Another one of my favorite ways to get organized is with this 6 organizer that you just Velcro on the bar. There you go. Now you have shelves. You have shelves for all sorts of different things, like your Dream Duffel box, any wigs or as props or any supplies can easily go on here, and you have a spot for all of the shoes. So you take your shoes, look at that, ballet, more tap, can all go in there along with any sort of props you might have, boxes, makeup, all of the goodies, and then everything is all together and organized. So if you aren't backstage with your kiddos while they're getting ready or changing or prepping, all their stuff can be here. You set them up for success. There's also expanders that you can put on each side of the rack to give yourself a little bit more room with costumes and all of that. Plus there's a privacy curtain that you can add, so you don't need to bring one of those big pop-up tents that take up so much space. If you're at a competition or event, you don't have to worry about like, oh, all of the space is being taken up by all of my stuff. Instead, you can put up the privacy curtain and then you're being considerate to others, because that is a big thing with small space, lots of stuff. Let's be as practical as we possibly can. Another one of my favorite things is a large mirror, because you need this before you go on to check yourself, see how your costume looks. This can basically be a full-length mirror. You can stick it on the side of your Dream Duffel, and then there is Velcro to Velcro around so it stays in place. Look at that, on both top and bottom. So it stays in place, so you don't have to worry about it breaking or falling or anything like that. It's right there, secure on the side of your Dream Duffel. There are so many more ways that you can keep yourself organized at any event with a Dream Duffel. Newer bags come with a USB charger on the outside, which makes it perfect so you don't have to be next to a wall with a plug-in. You can literally charge any device right there on your Dream Duffel. And there's a pocket for your phone or any other accessories. All of the products and guides and everything that you need to know about Dream Duffel is included below. Make sure that you go check them out to help keep you organized for any of your events. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.